What if you could calm self doubt and boost your confidence in just 5 minutes? Sounds too good to be true, right? But there is a powerful tool that can help, and it's called EFT or tapping. Emotional freedom technique is EFT. Let me show you how you can use this simple technique to shift your mindset and start believing in yourself. I remember the first time I tried tapping. I was skeptical, like you probably are. It just seemed too simple to work. But I was in a place where I felt stuck. Self doubt was running the show, and I needed something to break the cycle. I followed along with a video, tapping through the points, repeating the affirmations, and when I finished, something had shifted. I wasn't instantly bursting with confidence, but I did feel lighter, like I had interrupted the negative loop in my head. And that was the beginning of a major shift for me. So let's give this a try right now together. If you've never tried tapping before, just follow along with me. We'll use a simple confidence boosting sequence, and I'm only going to do one round. Typically, in a tapping, you're going to do anywhere from 3 to 5 or more. And I have other videos that talk about it, and I will share those. But I just wanted to give you a little taste, if you will. So you're going to start by tapping on your karate chop, and then just repeat after me. Even though I sometimes doubt myself, I deeply and completely accept myself. And we do this 3 times. Even though I sometimes doubt myself, I deeply and completely accept myself. One more time. Even though I sometimes doubt myself, I deeply and completely accept myself. Now you're going to tap on the eyebrow, and you can use 1 finger, 2 fingers, whatever's comfortable. I'm learning to trust myself. And then you'll go to the side of the eye. Let me lift my glasses up here a little. I release the fear of not being enough. Then you go under the eye. I am worthy and capable. You're going to go under the nose. Confidence is already within me. And then your chin. I choose to believe in myself today. And your collarbone, and I typically do a flat hand hitting both bones, but you can do this, you can do one side or both sides, whatever works. I am enough exactly as I am. And then the top of the head, I step into my confidence now. And then you can gently stop tapping, take a deep breath in. And how do you feel? Tapping is powerful because it works with both the mind and body, releasing stored emotional energy. If you would like to learn more, episode 9 of my podcast is about releasing anxiety and stepping into confidence. If you would like an exclusive guided tapping session, I would love to have you join my membership, which is on the school platform, Journey to Self, The Awakening. And we can get into deeper self-confidence practices. I will put the link in the show notes for joining that group. I would love to have you be part of it. This was just a brief taste. in the community, we can go obviously a lot deeper. And there's more too. You would do ratings and all kinds of things. But in the meantime, this is just a little taste of it and can help you just by doing that. You could even repeat it a couple of times over and over to help you. So I hope this was helpful. In the meantime, until next time, stay true to you.